Hi guys, this is Edra Bakaso Lavrens. I hear the Lord saying today, guys, to those people whose family members, like your spouse, like your husband, your wife, your children, who are backsliding, it means they stop following Jesus Christ for whatever reason they have. You, as one of the members of the family that are still standing and standing for their behalf and continuously following Jesus Christ no matter what you're going through and what their decisions are. I hear the Lord saying, you keep the boat floating. You keep the boat floating. It means, although you are a wife and your husband is supposed to be the spiritual leader of your family, you should be the one to rock the boat. You should be the one to hold the steering wheel while your spouse and your other children are not walking with the Lord. You keep the boat floating. So that although they are not walking with the Lord at this moment, you guys are still on the road to where God, Jesus Christ, is leading you to, especially in heaven. That's why it is very important for you who are still standing in the gap for them, standing for them, walking with Jesus Christ. For you, it's very important for you to be their intercessor, to pray continuously, constantly for their behalf, that Jesus Christ will meet them at the end of the road. Your prayer is very powerful. So that's the word of the Lord today. You have a blessed Sunday. Bye bye.